Time to go shopping. I was thinking to myself, I was like, man, I really need to make something for my desk so I can actually plug in all this equipment I bought. Because, like, setting up a proper YouTube channel is the obvious solution, right? Wow, it is so beautiful today. Time to go into Lowe's. Hey guys, I'm about to leave, but heads up, if you're going to buy this stuff, buy it on Amazon, because I just spent like 30 bucks on that plug that has the USB-Cs on it. Crazy, I know, crazy. Okay, everybody, first things first, we gotta do a list. So let's get started with that. First, we got to clean the box. I got a bunch of like locks and keys in that box from an antique place, and it needs cleaned because I think there was mouse stuff in it. So we got to get that clean. Number two, we have to prepare the materials. So I bought all the stuff at Lowe's this morning. So we have to prepare them and decide where to put them actually. And then step three, design. Design is important. We have to have the design set up properly or it will not work. And then four, use device. That's probably spelled wrong. Okay, let's go through the stuff that I'm using for this video. The box, it's an old used foam box. It's worth about 20 bucks. 30 bucks was what I paid with the locks and the keys. I kind of just want to use it because it looks old and repurpose it because it's not in the greatest shape. I'm also using this 5-foot digital desktop charging station so I can connect my USB-Cs and those connections for charging ports. And then I've got these bumper sticker things for the base so it'll not move easly. I got these gripping pads. I'm actually going to use this as the top of the station so people can, I can put my phone or whatever it would be on top of the station. And then I've got these mounting pads for the zip ties so I can clean up the cords on the inside. I've got double-sided stick tape to mount the charging station within the box. And then I've got scissors to cut the gripping pad to match the dimensions on the box. And then I've got the zip ties to hold everything in place. So I'm going to start a fast-moving frame kind of video so you guys can see the whole process of the box being made so you guys don't have to suffer through the whole video. So let's get started. Okay, I got to the point where I cleaned the box. So I first cleaned it with Windex. Noticed that there was no clear on this, obviously, and it started to absorb the Windex. So I was like, okay, well, that's good. I'll use this wood cleaner, and it'll clean it up and make it look darker. It did work. So now I need to blow dry because I need to dry it before I apply stuff that's sticky. So let's get started. drying is complete. Now we can start the rest of the project, and I'll show you the video. As you can see, that was hard to cut. Okay. Okay, so I know that I need to be able to fit my charger for my mics and my charger for the generic GoPro I have, the battery. So I'm attaching all that to here before I mount it to make sure I can put everything in there properly and fit it and where to put it properly. I'm also going to put my computer charger in here and see if it works as well. And I believe I might have to finagle it a little bit in here for it to fit properly. Okay. So if I put it in there sideways like that, I should be able to mount it. Okay, so what does everybody think? I think it turned out pretty well. The cords get hidden behind the box, and I don't have to look at them. And then I just put them in this corner right here. It looks great. It really does.